Building a business online or offline sometimes might seem so difficult, but then if you have the right value, the right tips that you need to build this business, you find it so easy and swift. Like you wouldn't need to worry about a lot of things, because applying those tips will help you build that business in a way that even you will be surprised at how things begin to work beautifully for you, or wonderfully for you, or productively for you, depending on what you are doing, right? Those are the tips we want to share today. I want to share with you 6 tips that can help you build your business as an entrepreneur. So stick back to listen to each and every one of them, because they are all important down to the last one. Okay, so hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifoma Joy, and here is Ifoma Joy TV. This is where we talk about business tips and ideas, and then we spice it up with biblical principles. What is it to build in a business without God supporting you? We always need the principles of God to always build, to always succeed in whatsoever endeavors we go into, and that is why we spice our own here up with biblical principles. So if this is your first time of being in my channel, do subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you get the notification of my videos whenever I upload them or whenever I go live. Thank you all so much. And to my return subscribers, thank you for always being here. You're the reason why I'm here. Your being here has always helped me. Thank you for your like, thank you for the commenting, for the shares, thank you for everything. Thank you. God bless you. So today I want to share 6 tips that can help you succeed as a business person or whatsoever endeavors you're into. You need these 6 tips. These 6 tips will help you to build your business. It will help you to build your life generally, personally. Like applying these tips into your daily life, applying these tips into the job you're doing or that business you're running, you see yourself scaling high and your sales and everything begin to boom and boom greatly. Okay, the first tip is to get a process. Now, what is process? The steps, the method in doing that business. That whatsoever business you're doing, you need to understand the process involved. You need to understand the steps involved. You need to understand the method. You need to know how things are run in that business, and that is why you need to learn from those that are already in that business. Okay, so get the process set up. Look at what others are doing. Check online. Search for trending things about that business. It will help you to develop processes that you yourself can apply into your own business. You mustn't apply another person's own, but key into those people's own, looking into them, checking out what they do. It will give you an insight into how you yourself can build your own process. Okay, that is the first thing, right? Then the second tip you need to be able to succeed as an entrepreneur is the sales skill. Now, there is no business that doesn't go with sales. Even if you're working somewhere, getting customers to your business, getting people to understand your business, it's more or less sales, right? It's more or less you dishing out your business to others, letting them know about it. So you need the skills. You need the skill to get people come to you. You need the skill to let them know about your business. You need the skill to let them know who you are and the brand that you are promoting or the brand that you are into. Okay, even if you're working, you need sales skill, right? You need to build on that skill in line with your brand, in line with your business. Okay, and this you can get tips, you can get insights from ChatGPT, from AI. There are different AI that can give you insights. Okay, so you just need to understand the prompts to give them, and then they'll give you what you really require. Aside that, you can go online, search on Google, search on YouTube about building skills or getting sales skill that matters in your own brand or business, in your niche, because there is a niche you belong to, and that niche someone is already there. So getting to build your own skills, you need to learn, just like we talked about the process thing. Okay, you also need to go out there, search out and source for how to get the skills, the sales skills that you need in that particular aspect, because we can't know everything, but we will learn it from others and from other avenues or other platforms. So go into there, go and build your sales skill that will bring customers to you. Okay, the third thing that we need to do is communication skill. You need to build your communication skill. How do you talk? Are you the one that do not know how to address people? You need to build the skill of marketing, the skill of brands, the skill of your niche. People, that's communication, as in how to communicate with people to get them into your brand, into your business, into that thing that you're selling, into that skill that you're dishing out, into the service you're rendering. You need the skill, the communication skills. Each business has their communication skills. There are some businesses now that only with the way the person speaks, the way the person talk, the comedy thing inside of it, the insight inside of it, people will come rushing to that person. So you need the communication skill that suits your brand, that suits your business, and you need to understand that there are different people out there with different communications, with different experiences. So when they come to you, they come in different ways. That is why you need to learn communication skill on how to address each and everyone's problem. Okay, because we don't have the same problem, we don't have the same insight. So the way and manner people comes to you determines the way and manner you communicate back to them. All right, because communication must be understood before it can be termed a successful communication, right? The first thing that you need to have in mind, the tip that you need to have in mind as a business person or even as a salesperson or entrepreneur is active listening. You need to be active in your listening, okay? Because sometimes people make mistake in response to others. Why? Because they didn't actually get what the person is talking about. Okay, so you need to build your active your listening skill. Be active in your listening. Be very careful, be calm when you listen to people so that you really get what they are talking about. This will help you a lot as an entrepreneur. It will help you a lot. Even if you're working as an employee, it will help you a lot to build your business, to build your brand, or to build that office where you are, or to build that company where you are working. Okay, then the fifth thing that you need is marketing skills. Okay, you need to understand your market, you need to understand your niche, you need to understand the market where you're in, that is the niche you're in, or the company you are working with. You need to understand them, you need to learn everything about them. Like when I joined the affiliate marketing, then I joined like 3 platforms of affiliate marketing. The way each of them do their things are different, so I have to understand each and every one of them, because at any point in time you know, reach out to people about that business, you reach out to people about that thing you're doing, they want to learn more. So if you don't understand how to market that brand, how to market that company, you might miss out. So you need to really understand the market in which you are, the niche in which you are, the company you're working with. Understand it so that you can be able to project it out there to get more people to come to you. All right, then the last thing, which is the sixth thing that you need to succeed here, either online or offline, as an entrepreneur or whatsoever you're doing, is follow up. You need to follow up. Yes, people come to you daily, you need to follow them up. For example, some of us run ads, and then a lot of people come to your DM, you know, maybe through your ads, you know. You need to follow them up. You need to reach out to them once in a while, because not every one of them will buy at a time. Not everybody you publicize to, not everybody you make adverts to will come back. We come to buy from you, okay? But the more you follow them up, the more you reach out to them, the more they get to understand that, yes, this person really cares, and they will come rushing to you one day. If not that, they can even refer people to you. Why? Because they see that you care, they see that you're always, you know, showing up, they see that you're always coming back to them. So you really need this follow up. Follow up is so good in any business that it can build that brand. It will make people, you might not even need to run advert, because those people you're following up, they'll be adverting for you, they'll be doing your advert for you. Okay, like when I joined affiliate marketing, I reached out to so many people, I run ads, run it to my DM, I get them into a group, I teach them, you know, one or two things, give them value, and at the end of the day I sell out my products to them. Most of them don't buy. Yes, some of them will not buy, but I discovered that at the long run, as I keep checking up on them, they keep referring people back to me. Okay, and as they refer people back to me, those people buys from me. That is how to expand your reach. That is how to get your business out there successfully. Okay, so do follow up. Like all the systems I've mentioned, they are so important. And the first one was getting the process. The second one was talking about the skill. You need to build your skills. Okay, then the third one talked about communication skill. You need to build your communication skill. You need active listening. You need the marketing skill, and then you need to follow up with those people you have marketed to, or those people you have reached out to. Okay, I am sure that you adding all this into your business, you are sure to blow up. You are sure to be successful in whatsoever business you are doing. It is not limited to any brand. It goes for all brand. Thank you for sticking by. Thank you for being here. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you get my videos whenever I upload them or whenever I go live. Thank you so very much to my return subscriber. Thank you once again. God bless you. See you in my next video, where I get to share with you how to upload your products, digital product, how to create a digital product and upload them to seller.co, where you can make sales daily. God bless you.